Here is a step-by-step guide to getting signed to a record label as an independent artist. 1. Build your brand and create quality music. The first step is to create a brand and style that is unique and will attract the attention of labels. Create quality music that showcases your talent, style, and potential. 2. Develop a fan base and online presence. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok to promote your music, connect with fans, and grow your audience. Focus on building a loyal fan base, engaging with your followers, and sharing your music with the world. 3. Network and build relationships. Attend industry events, conferences, and shows to network with other artists, industry professionals, and label executives. Build relationships with people who can help you grow your career and potentially connect you with label executives. 4. Submit your music to record labels. Research record labels that align with your music style and brand, and submit your music to them. Look for labels that have signed artists similar to you and whose values align with yours. 5. Follow up with record labels. After submitting your music, follow up with the labels to see if they have received it and to express your interest in working with them. Be professional and respectful, and show enthusiasm for the opportunity. 6. Negotiate and sign a deal. If a record label expresses interest in signing you, negotiate the terms of the deal. It's important to have a lawyer review the contract to ensure you're getting a fair deal. Once the terms are agreed upon, sign the contract and start working with the label to release and promote your music. Remember that getting signed to a record label takes time and effort. Don't give up on your dreams, and continue to work hard, network, and create quality music. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It only takes 1 second.